Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how we can block sensitive content and websites in the Waterfox web browser. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so launch the Waterfox web browser and access your browser settings through these three lines in the top right and by clicking into this button. Now, inside your browser settings, navigate to privacy and security here on the left hand side. So let me do that really quickly. And after that, what you want to do is scroll all the way down, and here under security, simply make sure that this option is selected. And alternatively and optionally, guys, you may also block that option here, for example. However, I will leave it at that just because that's the default setup, but that's how you block sensitive content in the Waterfox web browser. Alternatively, guys, or additionally, you may also scroll all the way up to the browser privacy and the protection and select, for example, a strict protection so that it blocks all of the following features, or go with a custom one. But that's totally up to you guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.